I cried.
Yeah.
I prayed. I hollered.
I worst me ever see Westgreen.
Yeah.
Me tell you, mash up man.
A coaster on top of a vaxi.
Wait.
We are swim last night. Look how we do it.
The morning after family, I've been up. I'm about 6 trying to share with you some of the pictures in the aftermath of Hurricane Alyssa, Jamaica. Yes man, morning darling. Jamaica has been inundated. Total devastation. Total devastation. I wanted to share some of the sights with you. I'm in the Tucker area now, but I've actually started from Bogue Village area. Oh, blessed love, blessed love. We give thanks, we give thanks, we give thanks. Yeah man, I started from the Bogue Village area. So I want to share some of the clips from that side and the pictures from that side with you. Now, make sure you share this video with somebody who wants to know what happened in Jamaica. Share this video. And please, I'm going to put some stuff in the description. I might do a part 2 in terms of support and so on, but for now I just wanted to show you what is happening here. Check the description for more information. Art of love, art of love. This is My-Island-Jamaica. People are walking, looking in the community. This is the Bogue Village community. This is where I am based. You know, but this is not looking good, guys. Look at the trees. I think that is a feature of the aftermath of burial. Is not burial, Melissa. Oh no, this is inundated. We can't pass here. This is flooded. Turn to the right. This is a section of Bogue Village that has been totally flooded. The man is at his knees in terms of water. My brother, how you doing? Huh? I will give God thanks. The water is at your knees. Oh my God. We suspect this was going to happen, you know, but I never knew it was going to be like this. This is Anchor Avenue. Cars flooded. This is a sea. This is a sea. Oh my God. All the billboards, signboards. So we have to be thankful. This is Ministry of Education.
Office.
The constituency office. That's gone. That's gone. This is gonna take weeks, if not months, to get back together, guys. Weeks, if not months. Look at oh my God, the light. Look at this.
Ooh, we can't come back this side of the town.
No.
So
Yeah.
all of the posts,
all of the line posts, all of the line things, all of the line posts.
This is.
Morning, my brother. The road here, guys, inundated. This is across from Robert Morrison Technical. This, guys, is not looking. Look at this. Everything is flat. 2 cars here. Oh my God! Look at that. 1, 2, 3. I see at least 4 cars here. Totally blown away. Look at this one. Look at this, guys.
Oh my God,
Grand Depot is inundated.
Oh God.
This is unbelievable.
This is actually crazy.
This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Hold on. Hold on. We need to take a look at this. Hold on. Let's take a look. Guys, follow me. Pause. No, this is. I don't think we can go. I don't think we can get further than this. I don't think. I was hoping to get to Granville, but look at this. Mighty God. Where so much something come from? You did there?
Yeah, we walked last night.
You were wait.
We are swim last night. Look how we do it.
No man. So hold on, I want to stay.
We have to go up on the hilltop up there, so guy water high, you know.
No, Jaja, no man, I have to do a talk interview now. So it want to work, not to security? Yeah. So we say what going on, so tell me man, because I want the world to see the real thing what going on, so. Yes. You have security right here, so? Yes, and you say, you work right through the night, right?
Right through.
And what happens when you see all these things that come down here, so? Where they come from?
They come from all about the place, man, all over the distance around the place.
And water just wash?
Float.
Because you're so high. Yeah. So you're swimming, literally swimming?
Swim.
And you say you couldn't see me drown?
With drown as a guy water should block a river, man.
Jaja,
Shoot
we give
through the place.
give God thanks, he's still alive. So
And that time me chuck off go for my phone to come back. And I left my phone in the guard house and see water in the guard house.
yeah. Jaja, security guys, sort of Grand Depot. Had to swim, literally. Oh, the river come over.
Yes.
Oh, okay, the river. Oh, the Barnet River came over. That's the problem. These are some people from the Katherine Hall community, guys, walking and look. Katherine Hall.
Yeah.
Jaja. Yeah. Katherine Hall. No, listen. Katherine Hall too. Katherine Hall. So how round is here?
Bad. Me never can make it.
Alright guys, this is, I'm gonna have to have a part 2 for this. But I wanted to show you, I just wanted to give you a perspective. I obviously can't do one video to show you this. I'm gonna say this is the Katherine Hall area. Katherine Hall, Westgreen area. I understand the river overflowed its bank and has caused devastation. People are on the roof. I don't know if I can get a perspective. Morning, you live here? You're from here? Yeah. Katherine Hall? You look nervous. No, you look nervous. Oliver. You survived. Alright, good. People are on the second floor here. Morning. Look at the gate. Morning. Oh my God. Morning. Give God thanks. We survived. Yeah. People cleaning up guys. Guys, I apologize. I sound a little bit different on this video for obvious reason. But I want to talk to somebody who has been through the hurricane here. These are two ladies from
ACT.
Oh, ACT.
Yes, but we just visit Katherine.
So what happened? Tell me your experience here.
So basically, the rain was falling from yesterday. Breeze was blowing heavily. Couple hours after we saw that the water started rising. For ACT, the water rises so high that we couldn't stay on the bottom floor. We had to go to the upstairs. Yeah. And then upstairs, they had to go upstairs to visit. And for Katherine Hall, I'm not sure what happened. Some of the residents that live there said the drain is not clean, so that's why the water did not. What
I heard is that over here, the river,
Barnet River came over.
Yeah. And that is the reason.
Yes.
But you survived.
Yes.
You work at ACT?
ACT.
Alright, well, good God thanks, eh?
Yeah.
Alright. Roads, and this what you're seeing now is actually the main road. This is main thoroughfare leading into Montego Bay, guys. So if this is happening here, I can only imagine the devastation. Yeah, I'm seeing that. Yeah, thanks. I can only imagine the devastation in the rural side, the rural parts. I'm concerned about my country people in Westmoreland. I really wanted to go down there to see what is happening, but I don't think we'll be able to make it. Yes, my brother. We won't be able to make it down there at all because I suspect that the roads are inundated. Because if this is happening here in the city, I can only imagine what transpired down there. So I might have to do a different video. I'm just hoping and praying that we have no casualties. Alright guys, so I'm heading towards the Granville area. I have family there just to see what is happening. Go on quickly, babe. Go on, babe. To see what is happening. This is the Granville Square inundated. My brother, we give thanks. Yes, man. Yes. We have life. Yeah.
Jillian.
Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah.
Flat, guys. Look at that house. You didn't even know house around there. Morning.
Then around the same time when you was on there all on there.
So we can't go any further, guys. This is it. Wanted to go a little further, but we can't pass here, so we have to turn back here. Oh my God! Look, the The church. Where's the church?
Oh God, the church gone.
Where is the church?
Oh God, the church gone. Wait, so black number the point there. Oh God, the church gone. Wait. And then that one so good on my bottom part, you know. Wait, mommy, wait.
Alright guys, this is right behind where efficient used to be. Water is still high. It's our brother here. You see, living in the area.
The house right there, so that. You see right behind the shop there?
Yeah.
Right behind the shop there. If you go in the yard now, you can see where the bird them did there.
Yeah.
Every bird that drowned.
Yeah.
You have to take them out and bring them in one small house there, so. If you want to go up there, you have to see where I go.
Ja. But we can't drive all the way, go down back to Tucker, not true? Go down to the road block. Road mash up.
Tucker road block.
Who like so much shopping?
You go.
All the farm where we got one, so with bird and chicken and all kind of things. Who like mash up?
Ja. You live here, sir?
I hear so me come by if you want anything. But me and them are brethren.
Yeah. So you say I worse you ever see?
I worse me ever see brethren.
Yeah.
Me tell you. Mash up, man. All of the farm we want so mash up.
Yeah. Me say the water come high too.
Oh, we up, man. We up here, so. Who like mash up?
Ja.
All the birds, them, all the chicken, them are so dead. I'm going to the one you can't swim no dead.
What do you mean like what?
The duck them.
Duck them
Only
dead?
duck them no dead.
Watch it.
Only duck them no dead. See them on so.
I'm gonna look, man. We're gonna look.
See them on so. Only duck them no dead, brethren. And free at the phone. See them here. Two them could fly up.
Yeah.
See duck them there.
Yeah.
Only all the chicken farm there so mash up.
Yeah.
One chicken farm we have there so everything mash up.
Ja. But Adam animal gone, other one them gone, chicken also gone.
Them dead, all of what we got. You will have something flood, man.
High.
High, flood up. See.
This one.
Yeah.
Up so?
Yeah.
The one.
Yeah, we like flood out.
Ja.
And we up it come.
See all the machine just so come like it.
Even the work last time.
Yeah. So you say you will like house just so flood out.
Flood out. We like flood out.
Nobody in there?
No.
Nobody in there?
Nobody in it.
Okay.
We like flood out, but
Hopefully nobody in there. No John in there.
no, nobody no John.
Okay. Alright. Well, we give thanks to life.
And from yours down the side, make a work on you now.
We give thanks, at least he's still alive.
That is good.
That is good.
That is good.
This is near the efficient hardware place. I noticed the roof is off.
Yes.
How did you tell me what transpired? How did you get through that?
I cried.
Yeah.
I prayed. I hollered
Yeah.
because I was here by myself.
Oh, you're alone.
Yeah.
Mighty God. Mighty God.
It was the worst experience of my life.
Yeah. God is good. But you know what? We made it through. We give thanks.
Yeah.
We give thanks. We give God thanks. I want to can I look at the roof?
Sure.
What's your name again?
Go inside.
What's your name again?
My name is Mert. Everybody calls me Sunshine.
Sunshine, Miss Mert. Oh my God. This is Miss Mert home. Oh my God. Her house is devastated. This is the roof. Or what is left of it? No roof. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. She has reason to. Oh my God. Still leaking. Water still on the floor. Still on the floor. Still on the floor. Oh my God. Jesus have mercy. So these are sheets you were trying to use to wet.
Well, before the roof came down, I was trying to put stuff on the floor.
Yeah.
I had pots, pans everywhere trying to catch the water, and then it just
Everything
came down. So I
caved in.
just left it.
Just left it. Miss Mert, you said?
Mert.
Miss Mert. Guys, this is Miss Mert. Miss Mert is probably one of hundreds or thousands of Jamaicans who were inundated. She doesn't have a roof right now over her head. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna see if there's any way. Let's see if we can figure out something for her, get some support, and numbers, contacts in the description for her. What is clear to me though is that the Katherine Hall, Westgreen area Montego Bay is certainly one of the hardest hit. The Montego River, the Barnet River, overflowed its bank, and it had about 12 feet of water. We heard, and look at this. This is just. We've seen a lot of this from early. Salvation Army Center here. Here, DJ Dexter. I said love. Give thanks for life. Give thanks for life. This is Katherine Hall School. This area is inundated. Definitely one of the worst. One of the worst. Look at this. Mighty God of Daniel. A coaster on top of a vaxi. This is the Katherine Hall area here in Montego Bay. This is just a slip. A Westgreen. We have seen a lot like this. This is scary. Melissa and its impact in Jamaica. Family, that is it. That is it. God is still good. That one there. Yeah, no, wall one there. Yeah. Everything gone. Come on, dog. Oh, Jaja. He ain't good though, he survived. My check on him, man. We check. Yeah. But family, that's it. I just wanted to give you a picture. This is stuck up. I might have to do another part to show you. I can't do more, but I wanted to give you a feel of what is happening. We give thanks. We give thanks for life. Share this video with somebody who needs to see what is happening. I wanted to see what is happening in Jamaica. But this is it. The real stuff. This is St. James side. Terrible. Yeah, man. Flat.